Setting up your contact sensor. Your contact sensor lets you know if something is open when it shouldn't be. Your indoor camera needs to be set up online with your sensor bridge plugged into the back of it. Open the Sky Smart Home app and tap the contact sensor tile. Gently pull out the battery tab to activate the sensor. Use the pin provided to softly press into the small hole on the side of the sensor until you see the light on the front flash 3 times. It can take about a minute. Choose where you want to put your sensor, like on a door or window. The area needs to be flat and able to fit each half of the sensor. Peel the adhesive paper from the back of the smaller half of the sensor and stick the sensor in place. Peel the adhesive paper from the back of the larger half of the sensor and place no more than 2 centimeters apart from the smaller half when in the closed position. Once activated, you'll be notified if the connection between the 2 halves is broken. For more information, go to the Help and Support section or use the chat in your Sky Smart Home app. Check out more Sky Help videos and remember to subscribe.